Kerry, this 44-year-old man who has been coughing for more than 4 months, as he told me. He said he has tried herbal mixtures, antibiotics, and some cough syrups, yet to no avail. So I asked him if he was taking blood pressure medications. He told me yes. Now recently, doctor even switched his blood pressure medications. When I took a look at his blood pressure medication, he was actually on an ACI inhibitor, which is known for causing persistent dry cough. Immediately we switched the medication, the cough went away and it was fine. Sometimes the problem is in what we are taking. Like his case, it was in his medication. And once we switched, it was fine.